There's a saying that goes, when a line bends, a shape begins. So here I have the beginning of a curved line. Completed becomes a circle. An angled line closed in becomes triangle. And a boxy line completed becomes a rectangle. These are all examples of geometric shapes. Geometric shapes are usually man-made. They are very regular and easy to measure. The other kind of shape is called organic shape. These shapes have irregular edges. They are not the same. They are not easy to measure. They are more like puddle shapes. They are free form. They can take any shape. Some organic shapes have names like heart or moon or star, but most of them could be any shape. We often find organic shapes in nature. Choose a geometric shape to practice drawing on your sketchbook paper. It could be a rectangle, a triangle, or a circle. Keep repeating this same type of shape, but in different sizes. Also, try overlapping some of your geometric shapes and keep repeating until your paper is filled the way you like it. See how some of my rectangles are even going off the edge of my paper. I'm going to try the same idea on the back side of my sketchbook paper, but this time I'm going to try overlapping organic shapes. My organic shapes have soft, rounded edges. Yours can too, but they don't have to. They could have sharp, pointy edges. Here are some overlapping geometric shapes. Rectangle, triangles, and circles. And here are some overlapping organic shapes. Curvy and pointed. What kinds of shapes do you enjoy drawing? It's your turn to practice. Practice overlapping geometric shapes on one side and practice overlapping organic shapes on the other side using a pencil. Now I have my favorite arrangement of shapes and my final piece of paper. I'm going to transfer my idea with a pencil onto my final paper. Next step is to trace your pencil lines with a permanent marker. Next, we're going to make some of our edges thicker using this ink bottle. Apply the ink carefully along certain edges. Also be careful not to squeeze the bottle, otherwise you'll have a puddle of ink on your paper. A very delicate, light touch works best for this step. When you're satisfied with the number of thick lines and thin lines you have, this step is done. Please put the cap back on the ink bottle.